Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the video and comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel, man. Join the team. We about to hit 2,000 subscribers. It's been like a year since I started doing like YouTube, and yeah, I haven't really been that consistent, but it's gonna be a big summer. A lot more videos coming. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot more shoes I gotta review anyways, but today's gonna be a little special one. I just want to throw this one in there because I feel like it's a sleeper shoe, very underrated sneaker. Me and my friends bought it like 2 weeks ago when it first came out, and you know, usually I cover like Yeezys, Jordans, Dunks, like the hype stuff, but this one right here is just like a little special shoe, and I feel like it's gonna be the most like how do I say, underrated shoe or slept on shoe for the year, just because like the price point and there's no really much hype over it. So I'm just gonna say this is the best shoe for the summer at its price. And y'all should already know about the title because y'all clicked on this video, but the sneaker I'm talking about is the Nike Waffle ones. So the Nike Waffle ones just recently came out like 2 weeks ago, I think, through Foot Locker. And me and my friend Angel, we was buying it for like, we was reselling it for like $20, you know. Cool little $20. It doesn't hurt, you feel me? Like if it's there while we're at Foot Locker, why not pick it up? You feel me? So we're just doing it, and then we do it on feet, and it kind of looked like the Sakai's, and we was like, yo, I fake mess with these clean. And then my other friends started copying them too, and then, you know, it just started to become like a thing. But I should have dropped this video 2 weeks ago. I don't know what was going through my mind, but now there's a couple videos on YouTube and they like caught on. So, you know, like Richie Lee, I think, posted on it, and Wear Testers Nightwing posted on it. So I'm no longer the first video, man, because I don't know, man, I just gotta, you know, be the first one. But it is what it is. Just know I was the first one in real life. So if I can't prove it to y'all, but I already wore my size 8.5. It's in my car. So today's review, I'm gonna review the size 9, which is brand new, and that goes straight to the box, man. It's a regular Nike box with the orange and the Nike logo going around and stuff. The size tag is right there. This is the Summit White colorway, and retail on these is $100, and it's a Nike Waffle 1. You know what I'm saying? Summit White Gray, and yeah, this is a size 9. Retail, like I said, is $100. So, getting into the unboxing, you just flip it open. You have this, you know, basic white grayish paper right here on all like Nikes, and just flipping it open, you have the sneakers right here, man. Boom! Really clean sneaker, especially off the first like look. Yeah. So here you have it. Very clean. I'm gonna give you guys a little B-roll so you guys get the details. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good little detailed look at all the suede, the details and stuff. I recently messed up. I played basketball in them, and yeah, they're not recommended for basketball. But my boy Q was like, yo bro, pull up, need your help with some basketball shit. So I just run around with these in basketball, so my missile's starting to increase. But this one's a brand new pair, it's a size 9. With all that being said, let's just go into the colorway breakdown and material breakdown, man. So as for the colorway, this is the Summit White colorway. So it's basically white, the suede is in white and black, bro. Those are the only 2 colors. It's kind of like this white is kind of looking like a gray, but they're calling it Summit White. So you have going around the toe, it's in this that suede white or Summit White that they're calling it. It also has that suede coming up the lace holes around this area. I gotta figure out what y'all call the area. And then also around the back and the heel as well. It is in that suede gray. Now the Nike swoosh is in leather and it's in white. And also the midsole is white with this heel counterpart being in plastic in white. What else is white about the sneaker is the laces, and also they have like unique touches with the logo and branding right here. We have that right there. Then you have another Nike back here. And then the rest of the shoe is basically in black, man. So basically the outsole with this orange thing for Nike. You know, Nike got the orange going. And yeah, the outsole is basically rubber, and then also the tongue part and the sock liner is in black, with the insole also being in black. Now, two main materials make up this sneaker. Is this mesh going around the top. It's like the see-through mesh which exists on the Sakai's, and this suede. And there's a little bit of leather on the branding, but doesn't really, like, you know, affect the shoe at all. So this mesh right here is like the see-through. It's like, it's not even mesh. It's kind of like plastic. So yeah, it's not mesh, bro. This thing is like plastic. So it's just plastic, and you know, it's cool. Like, you know, whatever sock you put in there, it'll change the color of the side because it's see-through. I don't know if y'all can see me, but yeah, I can't see y'all, but it's whatever. And yeah, that's it. Suede, mesh. I keep calling it mesh. Suede, plastic, and leather for the branding, and then the midsole, the Waffle midsole with the outsole being in rubber with the plastic. That's about it for the materials. Now, very important, as for sizing on this sneaker, I do recommend everybody going down half a size, please, because this is, look, this is a very, very long sneaker. Like, pause on that, but yeah, it's a very long sneaker, and you have to go down half a size, because I tried on the size 9 and it just fit like huge, bro. You have like this whole space like right here. Hey, right here, you just got the whole space. So you do have to go down half a size unless you're double socking it. Like I sold to my friend, he's double socking everything, so he just wore basically the size. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, go down half a size on these and you should be good, because they fit kind of like the Sakai's, if y'all ever had a pair of Sakai's. So with that being said, comfort on these are really comfortable, but mainly they're comfortable because of the, like, how light it is. There's no crazy technology in it. It's just really light, and it's just like comfortable, you know what I'm saying? So I would say like 7.5 out of 10 comfort, but nothing too crazy. Like, there's no crazy technology like React or Boost, or, you know, Boost is Adidas, but you know, there's no React, there's no cush line in the midsole. This is just a, like a, I don't know, I guess they're calling it Waffle. You know what I'm saying? That's why it is only $100, so you can't really complain. So I'm not complaining about that. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up the whole like review. I'm gonna give you guys a little on foot look on these, and then we come back, I'll give you guys a little, you know, resell segment and wrap it up with my final opinions, man. So let's cut to the on foot. Alright, so coming back from the on foot, yeah, just like, you know, like I said, it's a clean sneaker from the summer. Talk about resale real quick. It's just gonna be quick and simple. It's $100. It's selling for like $120 on StockX. I would just you know, if you could find them and you have a coupon to use, I would just do that at Foot Locker. You know, you're making like $20 a pair. That's not bad. Like I said, you can't complain about that. But that's just the gist of it. They are sold out everywhere at the time. You could find restocks on like Finish Line, Nike from time to time, but I feel like this is gonna be a mass-produced sneaker, so you shouldn't have a problem finding this sneaker. So yeah, you guys should be all right. Hopefully, you know, they restock some more and everybody be able to get their hands on them. This is gonna be, like I said, in my opinion, which I'm gonna wrap this video up with my opinion. This is gonna be like the best shoe for $100 for a summer sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Like, super lightweight, comfortable, stylish, rock them with shorts. You know, you could work out in these, you could go chill in these, you could do whatever in these, and good looking sneaker for $100. Can't beat that. So these are definitely a cop. I already have a pair. I don't know if I'm gonna double up, because I kind of beat that pair up playing basketball. Don't play basketball in these. Like, that's not a good idea. But you could work out in these, you could go chill in these, you could go on a run in these. Like, you good, you feel me? So definitely worth it. Add it to my collection, and yeah. that wraps up this video, man. Y'all make sure y'all comment down below what y'all think about the sneaker, man. If y'all like it, if y'all ended up picking up a pair, and yeah, just let me know your overall like thoughts. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.